The motive, gotta give me a second there.
Funny, okay, we did pick out this ring a little while back and it's been in our bedroom. And I had peeked in it a couple of times and whatever. Oh, did you take the ring? Could it be today or whatever? But I didn't before we left. I really did not think that this is gonna happen today.
Such a beautiful place to do it, for sure.
Yeah.
What brought us here was an Instagram video, actually, that we seen about South Algonquin Trails. And I had the idea to propose today on our ride.
I saw this really cool trail ride in Algonquin that would be nice to stop at. I'm like, oh, I saw the same thing. I would love to stop there. But he obviously had an ulterior motive.
Plan was just to come for a nice trail ride.
Wing it.
And wing it, as I do with most things. My motive was to just come for a nice family adventure ride. Our daughter Aaliyah loves horseback, but the ulterior motive was the proposal.
Ooh.